Curious about how we get water so pure it's practically a superhero? Let's break down the magic of deionization. Deionized water is all about stripping out those pesky ions. Here's how it works. Raw water flows through columns packed with ion exchange resins. These resins have both positively and negatively charged radicals. They attract and hold on to the opposite ions in the water. There are two kinds of resins: anion exchange resins that grab cations, and cation exchange resins that pull in anions. Depending on the setup, the water might pass through 1, 2, or 3 columns in sequence. In a 3-column setup, water first hits the cation exchange, then the anion exchange, and finally a mixed bed of both resins. The result? Crystal clear, ion-free water that's perfect for sensitive experiments and more. Remember, deionization doesn't remove organic chemicals or microorganisms, so it's not a catch-all solution. But for removing ionic impurities, it's top-notch. Stay tuned for more science wonders and keep that curiosity flowing.